5. Object rebounds after collision. Consider a steel ball of mass m that is moving on a smooth surface with a velocity towards the right. It hits a wall, rebounds, and moves with a smaller velocity towards the left. Its initial momentum, that is, before hitting the wall, is vector pi equals m times vector vi. When it rebounds, it has a velocity vf towards the left. Its momentum after being hit is vector pf equals m times vector vf. This is the final momentum. That is, after the collision. The change in momentum is the difference between the final momentum and initial momentum. Vector delta p can be written as the vector sum of vector pf and the negative vector of vector pi. We can now add the two vectors, pf and negative pi, using the tail-to-head method that we learnt in grade 10. This gives the change in momentum vector delta p. Note the direction of this vector. It is opposite in direction to the initial momentum vector. Also note that its magnitude is greater than that of the initial momentum vector.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maski.